Hello, boys and girls. We'll go ahead and get started today. Let's go ahead and start on our calendar. So if you will get your calendar in front of you, or if you just want to do it with me, then that is okay too. So remember, we have months of the year. We start with January, February, March. After March comes April, and that's the month that we are in. So today is April, the month of April. We're still 2020, 2020 is the year. All right, so here's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, okay? And then for what day it is, we'll start here. That was the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So right here, I'm going to underline the number 8 because today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Now we'll count to see how many days we've been doing our school from home. All right, so yesterday was the 10th day. Before that, there was the 9th day. So we had the 9th, the 10th. So today is day 11. And remember, the number 11 is 1 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. So that's number 11. And then I have my cups back here. So remember yesterday, we didn't have anything in the ones position, in the ones jar, because we bundled yesterday. So the number 11 is a group of 10 plus one single, which is a ones place, okay? So that makes 11, okay? That would be 1 in the ones place and 1 bundle in the tens place. That would be 11. So today is day 11, okay? Yesterday you got to listen to the Zero the hero number. All right, so today in your packets, you're going to do your number 20. And today, you're going to rainbow write again using how many colors? 4 colors. So you're going to rainbow write, and I've only done it once, okay? Now, when you make that 0, remember to start at the top. Don't start at the bottom, because some of you had gotten in the habit of doing that, okay? Then, now, remember, I've been trying to get you to remember that these cubes all together are like the cubes we play with in the classroom. And when you put them all together and you see them in a math paper or setting like this is 10, okay? And then this would be another 10. Well, if we count by tens, 10, 20. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to color in both 10 and then 10 more, 20. But we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So you're going to take, and I know some of you like to color your cubes all different colors, but since I need to be, to watch my time for the video, I'm just going to color mine in real fast. Now, you don't do it like me, because mine's not very neat, okay? But color those in, and then down here is the word 20. So the word 20 has 2 beats. We call those syllables 20. You are going to trace the word 20. And that's a big word. It's 2 syllables, so we don't try to sound that out, but I do want you to practice writing it for your handwriting practice. All right, now, The next sheet that I said that you would do is your letter X sheet. The only thing is that I forgot to send home the pictures for the letter X for us to cut and paste. So you will have this activity as a seesaw activity where you move the pictures and you have to put them on, is it an X sound like in box or fox or six? Or is it going to be a not X sound, okay? So that will be done through Seesaw. Then, the next thing you're going to do is in your week 1 packet, okay, this packet right here, you need to find the page that says week 1, day 3, and it says say and spell. So what you're going to do is you're going to say the name of the picture. So this is a cat, and then they've written C-A-T. Now, even though they've written the C and the A and the T out for you, I want you to go ahead and trace those. Then you have a sun, and then you have rug. That's a rug. They're not pointing to the couch. They're pointing to the rug. Then you have a bat, and then you have a pig, okay? So that's the page that you'll do today for reading, and then you just turn to the very next page. And today, our math is counting cubes, okay? So count the number of cubes and write how many. Count the number of cubes and write how many. Now, just like on our page that I just did with you in our number 20 packet, remember this tower is probably going to be 10, but if you want to, you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you'll write the number 10. Now look at this one. This is 10 plus 3 more. So you could go ahead and put, look at this. You could go ahead and say, oh, I don't need to count that. I know that that is 1 in the tens place, and this is 3. And when I put that together, that makes the number 13. And that would be right. If you count them, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So if you have to count them, count them. But if you don't and you understand that this is 10 and 3 more would be 1 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place, 13, okay? So that is your work for today. I do have a Seesaw reading book called Little Buggy Runs Away, and it will be assigned through Seesaw. And then you will have a counting to 100 video that you'll watch. And then I will be inviting some of y'all to do the Zoom meeting with me. And if you can get on and join us for Zoom, we're going to be doing some reading together. And we're going to have to talk about how do we behave and what do we do when we're having to Zoom together in a reading group, because we're actually going to be reading, so we're going to have to be on our best behavior, and sometimes that's hard with the distractions that we have. But I don't want you to lose the skill of reading your words that you've been doing, because you've all been doing really, really well. And the kindergarten teachers are going to be so happy that you can do that once you get into kindergarten, because a lot of kids aren't learning to read until right now in kindergarten. So you guys are rocking it. So if you can't Zoom, I hope that I can remember to record it, because I'm bad about forgetting to record it. But recording it and then giving y'all the link so then you can watch it when you get a chance to watch it. Okay? So you are going to need a handout in your packet that is from this week. Tomorrow we are going to work on a math paper together right here, and then we're going to do a Max the Cat, and that's what we'll read. So if you or join us tomorrow for Zoom, just have this with you and ready so that you'll have something to look at, and you'll need a piece of paper too, okay? So I love you guys. Practice your I love you, and I hope you have a good day, and we will see you later when we get to Zoom. Okay, bye.